Hello friends, first of all welcome back to my channel Classy Fashion Ideas by Ushna. So friends, I hope all of you are fine and doing well in your lives. Friends, my today's video is very creative, very funky, very stylish, very entertaining, and it contains a wide variety of design ideas related to face mask designings. Friends, you have to be humble and you have to be with us through this whole video, and you will be amazed to know, you will be amazed to see such stylish, such mesmerizing, such an eye catching and very beautiful, decent, unique hand embroidery, 3D mask, 3D hand embroidery, very easy to make, easy hand embroidery stitches, absolutely favorable for beginners as well as for the embroidery artists as well as for the embroidery lovers. But before going into the further details and depth of this video, I have a very simple request to you that friends, if you are new to my channel or you haven't subscribed my channel or you are watching my videos for the very first time, then friends, don't forget to like my video and don't forget to subscribe my channel, and while subscribing do press the bell icon so that you could remain notified with the latest updates and uploads of my channel. Friends, you could see or you could think that this video is in the continuation of my previous videos, into which I have been sharing a large variety of every type of face mask design ideas. Friends, because my channel is the only channel onto which I share on daily basis a wide variety of each and every type of every category of face mask designing ideas. Now we will talk about the creativity, the beauty of this video. The creativity or the beauty, the advantage or the benefit of this video is that at the same time you are going to get amazing and crazy ideas related to face mask designing as well as face mask making. For now, let's first of all discuss something and some creative ideas about face mask making. For making, I am talking about the sewing or the whole combination of the composition pattern. For sewing these, it is very easy to use, that you can use hand sewing technologies, like you can also make these masks with the help of needle, or if you are an expert or you know the art of tailoring or you know how to use sewing machine, then you can also sew these with the help of sewing machines and make these masks. Now the most important perspective is this, that how you are going to design these masks. Now the main point, you are going to design these masks with the help of hand embroidery art. Friends, I'm going to tell you one thing, that these designs are not only limited to the scope of hand embroidery as well, but you can make these masks with the help of machine embroidery as well, because exactly these patterns, same patterns of embroidery could be used for machine embroidery. Those who are lovers of machine embroidery could go for the option of machine embroidery, and those who are lovers of hand embroidery could go with the option of hand embroidery designs. But friends, all of these designs are very unique and very beautiful, and they give you the creativity and flexibility of designing your own face mask with the help of your own choice. Yes friends, now first of all let us discuss that which fabric you are going to use to make these masks. Then the answer to this question is very simple, that whichever type of fabric you want to, but just keep it in mind that it is a thing very creative, and but at the same time it is very sensitive issue that you are going to wear this mask onto your face. So the fabric must be soft, and that should be reliable, that should be adjustable, lightweight to your skin. So if we talk about the most durable, the reliable, the flexible and the comfortable fabrics, then I would suggest you to use cotton, linen or some other blended organic fabrics. So this was the thing about our fabric material. And you can also use, friends, you can also use what? You can use denim fabric as well to design these masks. Now the most important thing, that how you are going to design them with the help of hand embroidery. Then the answer to this is at the same time again very easy, that friends, you can make with the help of any type of hand embroidery stitches that you know. We will enlist them one by one. For leaves in the pattern of hand embroidery, you must use, I would suggest you, because all of these mask patterns which embroidery stitches have been used, I am going to tell you. For leaves, for the bigger leaves, for the medium sized leaves, you must use fly stitch or fishbone stitch. or if you don't know fly stitch or fishbone stitch, then go for Mexican embroidery stitch. And for flowers, for mini flowers, you must use lazy daisy stitch, because lazy daisy stitch or daisy stitch, both of these names are referred for one embroidery stitch, are the very easy hand embroidery stitch, and it is a stitch that every hand embroidery beginner knows how to make, and it requires very less time and very less effort. So for mini flowers we have decided lazy daisy stitch, and for bigger flowers you must use Brazilian embroidery, Mexican embroidery, and similarly for the circular flowers you can use French knot, Boolean knot, and buttonhole stitch. All of these stitches go absolutely well with them. And for type of funky designing, like fruits designing, like animal designing, like bird designing, like honeybee embroidery, you must use Mexican embroidery. That is only one stitch that is also termed as satin stitch, because satin stitch is a stitch that you can use to fill up anything in the embroidery pattern. So friends, now we should discuss a very important more perspective, that how you are going to make these masks more reliable, these masks more comfortable, and these masks more stronger and give fuller protection against viral diseases like COVID. This pandemic situation has affected the human community badly, and the only way to get rid of this or to stay protected from this is to make a habit of wearing masks while going out. So friends, I would suggest you to kindly do make a habit of wearing masks. And in this video you have seen almost 200 plus very creative, very beautiful, and very eye-catchingly mesmerizing designs of face masks. So a different combination of light color, dark color, funky, bright, decent and delicate colors, some buds embroidery, some flower embroidery, some perfect matching patterns of matching bikini dresses, some bras with exactly embroidered patterns for giving a complete whole package to you. I have also been shown some creative designs, like you can also make these embroidery patterns onto your handbags, to your bags, to your grocery items, to your bras, to your bikinis, to your shirts, to your any other stuff that you are going to wear along with your mask to give a perfect matching pattern. So for making them more reliable and durable, use elastic ear straps, and if possible then do make a supporting nose wire to keep the face mask in shape and posture while you are wearing this. So I hope that my today's video is helpful for you, and you have got very creative, amazing and stylish idea that how you are going to design your masks. So friend, if you really like my today's video, then don't forget to press the like button. And if you are new to my channel, you haven't subscribed my channel, you are watching my videos for the very first time, then don't forget to subscribe. I have already requested you for subscription, but many of you are not following me. Mostly you are just watching my content, not giving attention, not interacting, not commenting below. Kindly friends, do make a habit of commenting below my videos whatever you feel about my video, because we become very updated, we got a very informative information about your feels, about your likes and dislikes, and about how you feel about our content and what you want us to share with you in the form of content ideas. And if you want us any sort of helping guide, some tutorials or anything else, then comment below this video, let us know, so that we could come up with the new content as per your choices, as per your likes, as per your interests. So it was all about today. Thank you so much for watching my content. Hope to see you soon back in my channel with my new videos, in my new content. Thank you so much for watching. Stay blessed, stay positivity, be positive and spread positivity, and kindly only attract good vibes, spread love. Thank you.